chapter for Kenya. We should heal our divisions, solidify our national unity, and pursue our country's goals as brothers and sisters, joined by the permanent bonds of our common heritage and our common future. I have had occasion in the past few days to ponder on how the orderly transfer of authority as called for in our Constitution takes place seamlessly in our country. I realize that my ascent to the office of Deputy President has taken place on the back of a hotly contested constitutional process. For weeks, the country was glued to parliamentary and judicial events whose completion is a testament, or was a testament, to our country's democratic credentials and the integrity of our constitutional institutions. I am humbled to be of service to this country as its Deputy President, and to formally take the reins to support and assist President William Ruto and the team he leads towards the realization of his vision to deliver the transformation of Kenya. It is an honor to serve my country.